This is our customizable registration spreadsheet, serving for both customer and employee registration. On the dashboard you have a card showing the number of registrations with an average age and a graph showing the number of registrations per month. By clicking on Database you can access the database, and it is considered as customizable by the fact that allows you to change some columns, for example, or is change here you can put some information you want, such as father's name. And when you access the registration, in addition to the standard registration fields you will have a separate tab for the registrations you customized. To register a new one, just click on New, and the registration date will be today's date, fill in all the data, and click Save. With this the registration will already be in the database, and you can also delete or edit a registration already made. This was our spreadsheet customizable register. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Give us your like and follow our channel.